Yeah guys, from when you reach us up, you know say by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so you don't know what going on, and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe, and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC. Epic. If you are a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, you don't know the shape, so catch you now. Taking the intro guys.
We're so forward.
Taking the intro.
We're so forward.
So forward. What an amazing grace! Welcome back to the channel guys, and from when you see this you know say it's a different setup, a whole different thing going on here. So alright, as you can see we have some purple chopped onions, some scallions right there, some garlic over there, so you don't see the shrimp, some salt and pepper. We're not toss it up yet guys, and the star of the show,
we grace coconut milk powder and we grace spicy mackerel.
Hot and spicy guys. So today I got epic. If you're a drinker, get a special. If you're the movie, the popcorn style caramel.
Yeah,
don't
guys.
go away. We're so forward.
So forward. Yes guys, look at that. Mackerel sauce there right there, so. And the mackerel right here, so. Who would ever see do this? Comment down below and tell me if you've ever seen this done before.
And guys, I'm gonna call Grace and make them watch the video.
Yeah. Send Grace over here so to see that epic something here. And if you're not subscribed to our couple channel as yet, subscribe so we could just jump right into the cooking for this. Forward. Alright guys, you see that? Oil at the perfect temperature. So we're gonna just add our garlic. And you don't know, some onion. And guys, can I tell you, the aroma from this is a perfume for the kitchen. So you don't know how that go already, cause me all about the colors. Bling bling bling. Yeah guys, get this nice and aromatic to extract all that flavor.
Yes guys, cook until it's translucent.
Yeah man. Guys, yeah guys, you see that? Perfect. Adding our coconut milk. Rich, right? Grace, you know, coconut milk, rich creaminess. I'm telling you, you know, guys, all that rich goodness.
So now we are going to add the
mackerel sauce.
Everything.
You know, Chef Reid, everything. Can I hear the scrape? Everything. Yeah, guys, everything.
The aroma coming from this now, guys, is like a
perfume
for the kitchen.
I don't know why I want to come talk them, you know, guys. Why? Got that coming together nicely. Look at it around the edges, right? You don't know? What you think I come next? You comment it yet?
Add some salt and pepper now, guys.
Yeah, because in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. You don't know the golden rule over here, so.
Over here, so, first when you see this.
Nowhere else, though. Yeah, guys. And remember, you know, tag Grace make them see this. We are turning simple foods into fine dine. Where you want to see it before? Nowhere else. But right over here, so. This is called pure creativity. And guys, we love the support that we're getting in the comment section. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate it. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. This is where we get chefing. Yes, guys.
Alright, guys. So I make this come to a rapid simmer. And then you know what going on after that. So stay tuned. You're not going away now. If you're a drinker, get a special.
So here what? We're so forward. Yes guys, look at that. Bubble, pata bubble. Perfect simmering. So we're just gonna add some raisin. Una wonder how this gonna taste, right? And we'll add some salsa.
Tomato salsa, guys.
Yes, guys. And if you watch our plantain video, you will know that the salsa.
Stuffed sausage plantain.
Yeah,
the
man.
Plantain sausage.
If you don't watch that video yet, go and check it out. Yes, guys. We're on a marathon where we're trying out Grace foods, turning them into fine dine. And remember, tell Grace for forward for see them good something here.
Look at that.
Rich.
Aroma right now, guys.
Can I tell you, man, not to mention the
aroma
taste.
right now, guys.
This tastes very good, guys. And this aroma is a perfume for the kitchen.
Alright, guys, so now we're going to add the
Mackerel. Yes,
Everything.
guys, everything.
Give this a stir. The reason why we add the mackerel at the last minute, because you know mackerel is already cooked.
Yes, guys.
So we just want the sauce to infuse in the mackerel itself. We don't want this to
Break
crumble.
up. No, not that. The one is to break up, guys. And remember, go over to our chef Instagram. It's always in the description down below. We have all the pictures posted over there. So ensure that you're following us.
Quick and easy mackerel rundown. Over here, so.
With a mackerel rundown with a twist.
Yeah, raisin and all these good something. Raisin is an allergen, so if you guys are allergic, you don't have to use it.
Yes, guys, it's optional. So how is your day going? How is your Monday, your Tuesday, your Wednesday, whenever you're watching this video? Tell me in the comment section how you're doing, the taste you get from this, or what you think this is gonna taste like. Comment it down below, and feel free to try out the recipes, take pictures, tag us on Instagram, and all that good stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna top it off now with some more scallion.
Yes, guys.
And then set it aside because it's ready now.
Ready. I'm ready.
Get on with the spaghetti.
Yes, guys, look at that rich color. Rich, right? I don't know if you are seeing it properly, but that's it.
So we soon forward again. Wait on the spaghetti and the banger plating. Don't go nowhere.
So forward. Yes, guys, look at that bubble, pot of bubble. We're just gonna add our angel spaghetti. And if you know, angel spaghetti cook really fast, 3 to 5 minutes, so keep a close eye. Feel me?
Add a little oil for avoid sticking.
Yes, guys, easy access when removing. Look at that. Remember, now, guys, close timing, salt. Everything we do, we must have flavor and taste just a little bit.
Let this come to a rapid boil and cook in a 3 minutes time. So when you see we back, a removal, guys.
Yes,
so
guys.
tuned. Don't go nowhere.
So what you gonna do? Ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section for the banger plating. Was so forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Ready? This ready. So we're just gonna drain the water and get out with the cooking process, right?
Alright, so put a shift this aside and get on the pot where we're gonna saute the pasta in, guys. So
One go.
we're gonna strain this now.
Yes, guys, so have our oil at the right temperature, so we're gonna get on with the cooking process. Add some garlic, onion. You don't know the regular, guys. Cook until translucent. And you know what is that? Some pimento seed. All of that flavor, right? Time for that spaghetti. Look at that, man. Yes, guys. And what you think that is? A little parsley flakes. If you haven't checked out our herb pasta videos, you need to check that out. You don't know in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste, salt and pepper. Get that all together, right?
all in, guys. Know the shots. Look at that.
Beautiful.
You don't need to know, guys, that the warm up this, just get it apart.
What do you think I will come next? Yes, guys. A little pepper flakes. Get it all up in there.
Last but not least, guys, some dried basil. Here's another toss.
Don't know, we have to keep the flavors going, right? Flavor and taste, very important elements in cooking.
Let's see what I go and say already this ready though. And Sissy already ready, don't it? Alright, so now we're going to get on with the banger plating. Because we don't want the pasta you have to go saucy, because you know the mackerel have the sauce already. So, take in the banger plating. So forward.
So forward. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Look at that. From you see the plate, you know what time it is. Time for the banger plating, yeah? Could get right in this.
Right in there, so.
Where I use a coconut to do the plating. Yes, guys. Pure festivity.
And we'll keep it local, guys. That's why I say we draw for the coconut.
Pure creativity. We just show our coconut milk powder love by enhancing that with the coconut. And the star of the show was mackerel.
Take it in.
Take it in. Yes, guys. How are you liking it? Remember to follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Start drop the comments them yet. Right, that's how we have put him. Right, that's how we are leave you. Wanna think, guys? Right there, so. Got the beauty. I am loving the color contrast. That brown from the coconut shell. That white on the inside. That green from the banana leaf. And that light red from the mackerel. Yeah, and the spaghetti. That nice cream color. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Beauty, guys. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Yeah, man. Right, this so. Beautiful. Look at that, man. I am so loving this. Beautiful.
Now overdo it. But right there.
Just have a little of the gravy. Right there. And guys, if you notice, when you finish eat all this goodness, you have a little coconut you can eat as a palate cleanser. So that's beautiful, nice and refreshing, right? Rotation, look at that.
Take it in. Tell me one thing, guys.
Yes, guys. Look at that, guys. The finished product. Beautiful. Angles. Don't see the magic, guys. So we're gonna leave you with a bang. Until next time, bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.